Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee transmission fluid. First, gather all your essential tools, including a new filter, gasket, and the correct transmission fluid. Make sure your vehicle is safely elevated and level, which is crucial for proper draining and refilling. Then, locate the transmission pan and its drain plug, preparing for the next step. Now, place a large drain pan directly underneath the transmission to catch the old fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the used transmission fluid to flow out completely. This process can take some time, so be patient and ensure all the old fluid has drained before moving on to the next stage of the service. With the old fluid drained, remove the transmission pan and then the old filter and gasket. Install your new transmission filter, ensuring it's seated correctly. Clean the pan thoroughly, then place a fresh gasket on the pan before carefully reattaching it to the transmission. Make sure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, it's time to refill. Using a funnel, add the recommended type and amount of new transmission fluid through the dipstick tube. Start the engine, cycle through all the gears, and then check the fluid level accurately using the dipstick while the engine is running and warm. Top off as needed to reach the correct level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.